Hello students, today we will discuss about cell for class 7 and for class 9. You know what is cell? Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of living organism. Just like if you think about any building. So you know in a building bricks are the basic unit and these are non-living. But if you think about living organism, the basic unit that is cell. So it is structural units as well as functional unit. So the structural and functional unit of living organism that is cell. Now the cell is microscopic in nature. Means if you want to see cell, you can't see them by naked eye. So you have to see by microscope. That's why it is microscopic. Now microscope are three types: simple microscope, compound microscope and electron microscope. Simple microscope, compound microscope easily available, but electron microscope not easily available. Actually it is used for country's research purpose. In school laboratory we use generally compound microscope as well as simple microscope. So with the help of simple microscope and compound microscope you can easily see or magnify. With the help of microscope we magnify the object to see the structure similarly as we can see cell by naked eye. So with the help of microscope we can see. Now what are the structure and what are the shape of cell? If you think about the shape of cell, it may be round, it may be oval, it may be rectangular or it may be irregular in shape. So there are many kinds of cell. If you think about smallest cells, that is bacteria, mycoplasma. If you think about largest cell, that is egg of ostrich. And if you think about longest cell which is present in human body, that is neuron or our nerve cell. Now the structure of cell, there are two different structure. One is the outer covering of the body, that is cell membrane, and the inner entire portion, that is protoplasm. I will show you one diagram of animal cell. Here it is completely explained here. See the structure of animal cell. It is a barrier, it is known as cell membrane. So that is the structure, it is known as cell membrane. And if it is cell membrane, so the entire total portion which are present here known as protoplasm. So cell membrane and then protoplasm, these are the basic structure of a cell. Now protoplasm divided into two parts. One is nucleus, that portion, see the structure, round like structure present generally in the center in animal cell. It is nucleus. Except nucleus, the entire part which are present here, or the entire part except nucleus, known as cytoplasm. So these are the entire part is a cytoplasm and it is nucleus. So it is cell membrane and the total entire part, that is protoplasm. If you break protoplasm you will get nucleus into the protoplasm, and except nucleus the total entire portion, that is cytoplasm. So protoplasm equal to nucleus plus cytoplasm. If you think about nucleus, so it is the structure of nucleus. See, round like structure. Here in the structure four parts are there in a nucleus. What are the different parts? That is nucleolus present into the nucleus. It is chromatin material. See the structure from here, chromosomes are present here. These are chromatin material. And the outer layer of the covering of the dense part, that is nuclear membrane, and within the nucleus the liquid is present known as nucleoplasm. Just like within the cell the liquid is present, cytoplasm, within the nucleus the liquid is present, that is nucleoplasm. So these are the different parts: nuclear membrane, chromatin material, nucleoplasm, and these are also the structure which is present, it is nucleolus. And here the structure presents also here, these are nucleopore. Here it is present nucleopore, here is also nucleopore. So that is the structure of nucleus. Now student, what will be the respective functions? Just like cell membrane, if you think about cell membrane, So cell membrane present, the outer that is just like the outer covering, so it will helps to give protection of a cell. Also it will helps to give immunity of a cell, and cell membrane is semi permeable in nature. That's why not all particles will enter here, only some selective particles will enter here. That's why cell membrane is semi permeable in nature, and it is composed of peptide, it is composed of protein, lipid, protein. That's why it is known as PLP membrane, cell membrane. Now in to the cell, it is animal cell, except nucleus, the entire portion, that is cytoplasm. So you know what are the different parts of nucleus. Now I will tell you what are the different parts of cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, cell organelles are present here. What are the cell organelles? Just like, see the structure here, centrioles are present here. Here mitochondria is present. See the structure here, that is the structure where mitochondria are present here, and there are endoplasmic reticulum. See the structure, that is endoplasmic reticulum. It is also endoplasmic reticulum, but in endoplasmic reticulum of wall, ribosomes are absent. So it is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER, and here ribosomes are present. It is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. See the structure, it is also another cell organelles. It is known as lysosome, and also here is a structure present here known as Golgi body. So these are the different cell organelles present in a cell. What are the different cell organelles? These are the mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, lysosome, centrioles. These are present into the cell. If you think about plant cell, there are some different parts. Except few cell organelles, there are also plastid as well as different parts. We will discuss it. But if you think the structure of animal cell, so I am starting from mitochondria. What will be the function of mitochondria? First of all, mitochondria, there is a special structure, finger-like projections present here. It is known as cristae, and the function of mitochondria, it will give energy of a cell. That's why it is known as powerhouse of a cell. Next is Golgi body. What will be the function of that Golgi body into a cell? Golgi body helps in cellular secretion. Just like it helps to secrete any kinds of cellular secretion, it will help. Centrioles, these are the important part of animal cell, only present in animal cell. It helps in cell division, centrioles. Next is lysosome, very very important part, only present in animal cell, absent in plant cell. Lysosome helps to engulf foreign body. Foreign body means it helps to kill any foreign substances which will present into the cell. If any foreign body antigen enters into the cell, ultimately it will engulf it and it will give us also immunity to kill that foreign body. That's why it is known as suicidal bags, because it will blast after all if the total entire cell will affect it. So these are also different parts. See the structure, dot like structure also present in the wall of endoplasmic reticulum. These are ribosomes. What are the function of the ribosome? Main function of ribosome, that is it helps in protein synthesis. Next is different parts of nucleus and their function. Nuclear membrane, just like cell membrane, nuclear membrane will help to give a shape of nucleus, as well as it will help to separate nucleus from cytoplasm. Chromatin material, it will carry it will help to produce chromosomes. Here the chromatin material, from here chromosomes are here. Also it will help to carry the hereditary characters. And nucleolus, sometimes it present in protein as well as lipid synthesis. These are the different parts of nucleus and their function, and these are the different parts of animal cell. Now I will tell you about plant cell. See the structure. In animal cell, just only one barrier was there, only cell membrane. But in plant cell, two barrier is present. One is cell wall, other one is cell membrane. See the structure, it is cell wall, and the second layer, that is cell membrane. So cell wall, cell membrane, two covering, two outer layer, one is cell wall, other one is cell membrane. Cell wall is freely permeable and it is non-living in nature, but cell membrane semi-permeable as well as it is living. Cell wall composed of cellulose, cell membrane composed of protein lipid. Next is, see the structure in plant cell, nucleus present as well as endoplasmic reticulums are present as well as mitochondria are present. What are the new structure? See, the entire part of plant cell composed of the structure, that is cell vacuole, which is very important for plant. Cell vacuoles are also present in animal cell, but it is inactive in nature and it is small also, but in plant cells cell vacuoles are large. Why? In plant cells, cell vacuoles helps to store food for future as well as sometimes they helps to store excretory products, as they can't excrete regularly, but animal body can excrete regularly. We have excretory organ. In plants, the cell vacuoles are present into the cell. See the structure, into the cell vacuoles, the liquid is present here, it is known as cell sap. So what is cell sap? Into the cell vacuoles, what are the liquid which is present here known as cell sap. And in cell vacuoles, the outer covering or the layer which is present here, it is known as tonoplast. It's very important, and that's why in plant cell vacuoles are large and active in nature. Also in plant cell, plastids are present which are absent in animal cell. What is plastid? Plastid means it helps to, just like plastids are three types: chloroplastid, chromoplastid, leucoplastid. It helps in photosynthesis. That's why plants are autotrophs. They can produce their food, but we can produce our food. We are heterotroph. We depend for food to others, as we don't have plastid. But in case of plants, they have plastid. Plastids are three types: chloroplastid, chromoplastid and leucoplastid. Chloroplastid gives green color to a plant, and chromoplastid helps to give orange, red, and leucoplastid colorless. So among chloroplastid, chromoplastid and leucoplastid, generally chloroplastid useful for photosynthesis. It is very much useful for photosynthesis because it helps to trap sunlight, photon ray of sunlight. It will help to trap it. So these are the basic parts of plant cells as well as animal cells. So students, if what will be the basic differences between plant cell and animal cell? Plant cell, cell membrane and cell walls are present, but in animal cell only cell membrane is present, where cell wall is absent. In plant cell, plastids are present, but in animal cell plastids are absent. Similarly, in animal cells, cell organelles, lysosome and the cell organelles, cell vacuoles, which is in animal cell lysosomes are present, but in plant cell lysosomes are absent. Similarly, centrioles, which helps in cell division, in animal cell it is present only in animal cell, but it is absent in plant cell. And cell vacuoles, which is very much active or large in plant cell, but it is inactive or small in animal cell. These are some basic differences between animal cell and plant cell. Now next is, what is prokaryotic cells, what is eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells means there are some cells where the nucleus is not well developed, means the nuclear membrane may be absent. Sometimes just only the chromatin materials are present here. So well developed nucleus are absent, and also few cell organelles are absent. That's why these kind of cells are known as prokaryotic cells. You can see these kind of cells, examples of prokaryotic cells you can see are found in bacteria, blue-green algae. So these are prokaryotic cells. And eukaryotic cells means where well developed nucleus is present as well as the nuclear membrane is present into the cell. So it is known as eukaryotic cells. In human body and some developed organism, most of the living organism, we have eukaryotic cells. That's why we are ultimately eukaryotes. So these are some differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotic cells, which are very important for you, as well as plant cell and animal cell. Now we are multicellular because we have many cells in our body. Similarly, there is also unicellular organism, just like bacteria, amoeba. These are protista. These are unicellular organism. Kingdom protista, fully unicellular organism, as well as kingdom monera, also unicellular organism. So these are unicellular and multicellular organism. Now what are the function of cell? What are the basic function? Just I told you in definition, that is cell is a structural and functional unit of living organism. So as it is structural unit as well as functional unit, so it helps most of all the just like digestion in human body, excretion in human body, circulation in human body, respiration in human body. Not only in human body, any other living organism, all the physiological process carried out by cells. That's why it is important. And in our body, cell division starts from our childhood and it will increase after a certain period of time, just like age group of 40 to 45. Cell division will remain pause. That's why up to 40, age group of 40, cell division in rapid way, especially in adolescence period, cell division is a rapid way. So it is a topic regarding cells. I will give you also PDF notes on cell. So you read it, and thank you.